Hey guys, so the reason I'm making this video is because if you don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram or Snapchat, then you might wonder why I missed my upload and why I wasn't gonna upload today either. I have a couple of videos archived that I have pre-filmed. The issue is that I literally can't sit down to edit them, which is why this is probably just gonna go straight up onto YouTube, relatively unedited, if edited at all. So what's going on is that on the 31st of January, I don't have my phone on me, where is it? 31st of January, I've been tracking this in my headache tracker. That was last Wednesday. I got a cluster headache, real bad. And I took sumatriptan, which is my medication that it takes to stop them. And I then got another one on Thursday, took sumatriptan. Another one on Friday, took sumatriptan. And I started feeling really mentally not good. I'll explain that in a minute, but I just want to give you some context. So then Friday night, I was not feeling great, but I had, I was like, screw this. I don't want to turn my life off because of this condition that I have. So I went out with my friends and we sang karaoke and I had some drinks. And with cluster headaches, you're really not supposed to drink because it's a trigger for cluster headaches. But I also am just like, I can't put my life on hold forever because of these. Like, I'm gonna have them for the rest of my life. So I might as well like just do what I want to do. Saturday, I got one of the worst cluster headaches ever. I was so hungover, I thought I was gonna die. Oh my God. Took sumatriptan again. I had to. I was literally like screaming in pain. Did I get one on Sunday? It was the 4th. Hang on, let me look at my headache tracker. Sunday, I had a shadow, but I did not have a cluster headache. Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, I've had them. That means that I have had 7 cluster headaches in the last 8 days. And I'm currently sitting here with a really bad one right now. I'm not in a full attack right now. I'm in like what I call a shadow. I'm not gonna go into too much depth about it, but basically, if you don't know what cluster headaches are, in a brief synopsis, I'm gonna explain it to you in case you're new here, or in case you are like, what the fuck is this bitch talking about? Oh, by the way, I cut my hair. That'll be for another video. So cluster headaches are a condition. Other name for it is TAC, trigeminal autonomic cephalalgia. And cluster headaches are not headaches. So I've had a lot of people making suggestions for me, saying, well, try this, try this, try this. Cluster headaches are not headaches. They are in my left eye. They are only in my left eye, and they are attacks. They are not headaches. My head does not hurt. That doesn't hurt. This hurts, as you can tell. I've had ice and heat on it for days. So where I'm at right now is I've got this headache condition. I see a neurologist, I see a headache specialist. I'm on preventative medication that's clearly not fucking working. And I also take an abortive medication, sumatriptan, when I need to stop these headaches. I've tried oxygen therapy. I've tried tryptamines in synthetic form, not in natural form. If you know anything about cluster headaches, you know about this. I have tried the vitamin D3 regimen. I've tried Red Bull, which did work but stopped working. And I have tried multiple medications. If you're gonna give me suggestions, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just saying, like, a lot of people are like, try essential oils. I've tried essential oils. I tried frankincense. I've tried multiple essential oils. I did oxygen therapy for a year. Oxygen did nothing for me. None of the things I've tried have worked. Let me just put it that way. So this is not me asking for help. This is me telling you that the reason you're not getting makeup videos right now is because this is what my life looks like. I sit here with an ice pack on my face, and I could take my sumatriptan, but what happens is, and this is what I was gonna explain earlier, so sorry for all of you guys who don't care about this, makeup videos will be coming as soon as I start feeling better. I could take sumatriptan, which is my medication that stops this. I could stop this pain right now. However, when I take too much of it, for some reason I get really depressed, and it's a serotonin antagonist or something like that. That's how sumatriptan works. I guess it like stimulates your serotonin receptors and it reduces your blood vessel size, which then gets rid of your headache, and it totally works. It works great. It works great to get rid of my headaches. However, when I take it so often, I've never had this many cluster headaches in a row, by the way. This is the worst it's ever been. When I when I take sumatriptan, or Imitrex, it's the generic version of Imitrex, when I take it too often, which I did last week, I took it 4 days in a row, and you're not supposed to do that, but I was suffering, I didn't know what to do, which is why I'm suffering right now, because I'm not taking it. When you take it when I was taking it so often, I realized, like, I was crying at the drop of a hat, and I'm so emotional and also void of emotion, and I don't like that feeling. I would almost rather be in this pain that I'm experiencing right now than feel how depressed I've felt. And I do believe it came from the medication. I hope it's from that. So I'm trying to like build my serotonin back up or whatever. I did look it up online, and I guess people have experienced mood changes from sumatriptan. It is just, the point of all this is to say I'm just really struggling right now. I would just upload the videos I have. I can't look at a computer screen right now. It's just sending I just feel sick. I feel sick. I feel nauseous. I've thrown up many times. I'm just not in a good headspace at all. And I'm trying to just survive. All I want to do is take medication to make this pain stop, but I don't want to take it because I don't want to. It just keeps you in this cycle of taking the medication, and I don't want to take it because I don't like the way I feel after I take it. I feel void of emotion. I'm literally incapable of happiness, and I don't like that feeling. I'm a very happy person, and this condition is breaking me. And I guess I'm just going through a really bad cycle right now. I hope it ends soon. As you can tell, my eye is like fucked. I'm so fucked. I just don't know. I just wanted to explain to you guys why I haven't been uploading, why I've been super quiet on social media. I have been in constant pain for over a week, and I know that it's none of your like concerns as far as like you guys, you don't have to be bothered with it, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to like make you a part of something that, I think you know what I'm saying. I'm not trying to like complain. I feel like I'm pretty good about not complaining about it anymore. I have let you guys know on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff why I'm not uploading, and I know it's like, it's YouTube, it's not like that big a deal, but I tell you I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I've had a lot of people messaging me and being like, where are you? And I'm like, oh, you must not have seen that I said I wasn't gonna upload, and that's because my majority audience is on YouTube. So all of this is to say, as soon as I'm back to my human self, I would love to put makeup on. I would love to do stuff. I've filmed a few videos and I just cannot edit them. I can't sit down and do anything. I'm literally just crying all day from pain, and I'm putting on a brave face right now for this. This is it. This is the most I can do. And I cut my hair and I dyed my hair, and all I want to do is like style it and like be all cute and stuff, but I just can't even get off this couch. So anyway, I'm not trying to complain. Sorry about it, but yeah, this is my life right now. So I love you guys, and I thank you for all your kind words. Again, I'm not looking for suggestions. I already know about all therapies regarding cluster headache. I know about mushrooms. I know about LSD. I know about everything, which I appreciate anything that anyone does to try to help me so much. But I want you to know that if there is a treatment out there for this, I have tried it. I have tried everything. And I just real quick, for those of you who don't know, treatments that work for cluster headache sufferers generally only work on people with episodic headaches. So those are the people that get a break from the pain for a long period of the year and then only experience these, they're not even headaches, I wish I could, attacks. So who only get attacks like during a certain amount of time per year. That's who the treatments usually work for. And unfortunately, I am a chronic sufferer, so I don't get pain-free periods. I only experience like a few days at a time. Like if you look at my headache tracker, I'll show you. The green is pain-free days, and the orange is attacks. The yellow is a shadow, which means that you are feeling pain, but you're not like at a level 10. Orange days are 10 out of 10 pain. And you can see the blue as days I took sumatriptan. And so, as you can see here, I got an attack this day. Or no, I got a shadow started this day. Attack, 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 and then it continues into the next month of my bullet journal, which is attack, attack, attack. So those are all attack days, and all of these were sumatriptan days. These are not sumatriptan days because I'm trying to wean myself off of it. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go cry. But you know, I will feel good one day. I have to remember that this isn't gonna last forever, and that I will feel good again one day. And hopefully that day is soon. And I hope that you guys are all doing well, and I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.